baby, hot, okay? I'm still out here fucking shopping for these Gemini shit. No, next year, y'all ain't getting nothing. Like, I'm not getting y'all nothing, bro. I'm not doing it. Like, I'm not doing it. I just, what? Man, Geminis, for one, is expensive. I've been spending so much money in May, like, just slap me, period. With Gemini season and Mother's Day, just smack me across my damn head, okay? But, yeah, so, I just came from shopping, y'all. I got some gifts. At this point, marry me, like, marry me. Give me my ring, period. But yeah, so I'm on my way to get my baby. Go home and clean up. I need to figure out what we about to eat. So hungry. I want to cook, but it's so hot. I really don't want to cook, so I don't know. I don't know, girl. I need some Starbucks. Did I tell what I did in the last vlog? I gotta edit that today. But girl, I got some freaking Starbucks. I forgot to tell them to add 8 pumps of vanilla, and girl, disgusting, okay? It was disgusting. Like, it was so nasty. So, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's what I want to do today. That's what I want to do. I want to record for y'all, so it'll definitely be a 2-for-1. Yeah, I need a babysitter because I want to record and I want to edit today. I got to get back on point. Summer from the hit, and I know I get like a little sidetrack in the summer, but I never wanted to be like, I don't have content for y'all. So I got some cute little pieces from Forever 21. So I don't know if I want to do the sneaker haul today or if I want to do the clothing haul today or the perfume haul. I don't know. We're gonna figure that out. But I smell so many good colognes today, like, oh my god. Like, I have a freaking nose for good cologne. I just do. Like, just give me my flowers while I can still smell them. I mean, I'm telling you. Okay, y'all, so I just got me some Starbucks. They talk about, my little sister text me in a post when the PPP loans drop. They talk about when the PPP loan hit my account. Talking about bring the stars, I got the bucks. Why did they have to make that so good today? Like, seriously, I needed that. That is amazingly good today. Oh yeah, they driving reckless. Every time it's hot out, they drive reckless. I'm serious, like, seriously. We need to get something to eat, y'all. Like a nice little, I don't know. You know what? I want a hot dog from Portillo's. That would be so good, but I'm not going to Portillo's. I'm not doing that. Like, bitch, you just driving. You could have just hit me. Stupid hoe. Oh, child. Yeah, you get behind him because I don't want to get behind him. How you just getting over it? Oh, I should have, bitch. No, I shouldn't have. God, I take that back. Really, I swear my man instantly go to violence. Like, it's fucked up at this point. You in as fat as you how don't know how to drive that bitch. Yeah, my man go to violence way too much when people play with me. Like, especially in traffic, it instantly go to bitch. Draco. Bitch, I'm gonna make it. The way I'm finna be like tight with my money, they might as well call me a motherfucking, they might as well call me the daddy of Everybody Hates Chris at this point, because it's looking tight. okay? I'm not gonna be spending nothing. Like, leave me alone. Call me. What was the daddy name on Everybody Hates Chris? Cause that's me. Start calling me that. You wanna go? No. I gotta look at the crib. We ain't gotta go take shots. I can take shots at the crib. Rita, you ain't finna tip up. No. I would have made my own drink. I hate people that don't tip. Like, it's the biggest pet peeve in the world. Like, ugh, I hate people that don't tip. Or like, if they do tip, they tip like twos and fews. Like, ugh, I hate that shit. Don't go out with me if you don't like to tip. And if you gonna complain about your fucking food or your drink, please and thank you. That's why I have a selective few of who I go out with, because I don't play that shit. Like, I hate that type of shit. I hate that shit with a passion. I don't want this. Can you sit in the back? No, they can't sit in the back. Bitch, you better eat that. You was embarrassing me. Your broke ass. I hate being embarrassed. Like, if you couldn't afford it, you should have just said that. Next thing I got is Father's Day. And everybody getting gift cards to Wendy's at this point. Like, I'm not gonna even do that. Spend that check and get it right back. Rita, you is poor, so start acting like it, okay? I'm at home now. I am about to watch the new episode of Handmaid's Tale. Y'all, please, 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 if y'all don't watch Handmaid's Tale, watch it. Like, the shit is good. This is the 4th season, I believe, and it's just good. So yeah, watch it. Let me know in the comments if y'all watch it already. If y'all started watching it, like, let me know. Like, seriously, I be wanting to talk about this every week, so I need y'all on board. But yeah, so last week's episode was like one of those episodes where I'd be like, like, it was cool, could have kept it, like, I would have been okay with it. My skin is freaking flourishing, like, seriously. It's looking good. It's looking good. So, yeah, I'm about to watch Handmaid's Tale, see what's going on this week, girl, because like I said, last week was one of those episodes, it was like a drag, so, yeah. We pick up that camera and record, like, seriously. If I have it, I need to pick it up and record. So, hey y'all, hey, what is good here? What is goody? I am on my way to, where am I on my way to? Oh yeah, the beauty supply store. And then I have a client, and then, yeah, home, clean up, cook, do something with my life, edit, record, like something. I always need to do something. So, yeah, that is what is on the agenda today. That's what's on the agenda today. I do not know how I'm gonna be wearing my hair this summer. Like, when I first started, I hate when people do that shit. When I first started, like, just period, like, wearing wigs and stuff, I used to wear my side wig day and night. Like, that was my signature wig. It just was. And now, girl, it's just hot as hell under that wig. So, I don't know, y'all. I don't know what's gonna be my little summer hairdo. Like, don't get me wrong though, I love my little slick back ponytail. I wish I knew how to do the braid myself. I need to probably learn, because I'm acting like it take rocket science to do the shit. But I don't know what's gonna be my summer hairdo, like, cause I can't do it. I don't even like steady, like, flat iron in my hair, steady curling it. Like, I don't want to do nothing but just, maybe I do need to try that little, not you still tired, Rita. Maybe I do need to try that little wet and wavy, like, kind of look. But honestly, I just feel like that do not go with a lot of outfits. Like, it do not give with every outfit. Or maybe I should just do, no, because I don't really like braids like that. So the main reason why I always have my curls or my middle part is because it just does what it needs to do with the clothes that I wear. Like, I feel like it's girly and then simple. Like, the curls is girly and then the middle part is simple, or vice versa. But what the freak am I doing over here? Like, I'm not paying attention. There's no way I'm supposed to even be right here. Like, Rita, what the freak? So I'm gonna go up and then work my way down because clearly I'm tripping. That's what I'm gonna do. In order to keep the ball rolling, I'm gonna do what I need to do. So anyway, because I just told myself, like, oh, my man, y'all, has been all over the place. I don't even know if I told y'all to like, comment, and subscribe to this video because y'all need to do that. So yeah, yeah, I love this song by Nardo Wick.
Who wants to smoke with me? Nigga, who wants to smoke with me?
They be like, Nardo, put them damn guns up. You can say your best man, you gonna lose your best seller.
What the fuck is that?
That's how I step on niggas.
Steady calling my phone.
I told you before that it's over. Ass fast, shawty, straight heat, no Florida. So yeah, I just left from out of Marshalls. I just got the cutest. Do I want to try this one? No. Why do they be so crowded in the morning? That is so ill. Like, Starbucks be so crowded for no reason. Like, this shit not even that good. Like, for real, I'm mad. They don't make my drinks like I need them made. But anyway, I just came from out of Marshalls, y'all. I just got the cutest phone case and charger. Like, it's so cute. It's like colorful, whatever. I should have went to that one. No, I shouldn't have. So cute. Like, that is too cute. And look at it next to each other. I should not be doing this shit driving. Like, Rita, pay attention to the road. You niggas want me light, come shine in the dark. Whoa. You made me this way. I ain't got a nigga. I'm throwing on that liquor. I'm about to hit the club and dance like a stripper. Dance like a stripper. And dance like a stripper. I'm about to hit the club and dance like a stripper. Shake that. Let me taste this fucking matcha because I swear to God, y'all, they be so. I thought I just broke my straw. They be using this thick ass milk or something. What the fuck is that? That's how I step on niggas. Girl, you wanna be speeding up? You gonna get your ass hit in this fucking Honda. Like, I'm still shocked, so. I'm at TJ Maxx right now. Let's go and see if they got what I'm looking for. Let's see. I don't think I need a buggy. Yeah, I really be having to like restrain myself from just picking up stuff for my baby. Like, if you a mama, you just know. Like, I be having so much, like, if I can't find nothing for me, it's like I already had some stuff in the car for my baby. But now it's like It's like, oh yeah, Rita, you definitely can go crazy now because you ain't find nothing for you. When it shouldn't be like that. All I do is buy this little boy stuff. Literally. Literally. I want to smell this. It's a toilet though, so I know I wouldn't like that shit. Oh y'all, so I just found the cutest little Juicy Couture bag. I don't know if I told y'all I looked up on some Juicy Couture jogging suits, but so freaking cute at a TJ Maxx. Hold on. We love that. That is so adorable. And it's just like probably gonna be like my summer bag that I throw on, because actually I would, like in the summertime, I'll be having like a lot of shit. I be needing to keep wipes, bitch, Pampers, the whole nine. So I definitely feel like my everyday out bag for the summer is definitely bigger than my winter one. In the wintertime it be cold, it be snow, so I don't be trying to do too much, but in the summertime it's like, girl. So now I'm trying to figure out where I was not supposed to buy that bag. Like, I'm always doing some shit, always, but I feel like it's super cute and it wasn't shit but $35, and I need just like a little everyday bag until, you know, a nigga give me a Louis or whatever. But yeah, I'm excited about my little purse. I got this cute little cream like jogging suit. It's Juicy. It's so cute though. It's just like loungy, like shopping type for real, because it's not even like super fitted like how my I do got my blue one too. That bitch gonna pop with my blue one. Oh, that's a wash.
You're of course not. Are you kidding me? He hasn't texted you yet tonight. Let's see. Hey honey, hope you're having
It's the seafood for me. I don't really like corn like that.
I just want to make sure that he is with you. Love you. I love you too.
Y'all.
Tonight I'm taking my daughter Julia and Colton out to dinner.
And then,
First time that Colton and Julia have seen each other since.
I ain't gonna lie, this bitch mama so bogus.
Colton and I are dating exclusively.
She dating
So I'm hoping at dinner.
somebody that her daughter brought over, literally one of her daughter friends. Like,
So weirded out by. Well, you're my kid, Julia. Okay, but he was my friend also.
right.
I felt torn. Flew across all of our.
Like, they don't look that bad as a couple. And this is season 1, y'all. If y'all watch Mary and Million, I don't know how many seasons it is, but
I felt instantly connected to her. I felt important.
It's been my dream since I was like a little girl to get married, to have this beautiful white gown and my family by my side. We need to do it. You know, it's more than a piece of paper.
drop below in the comments though, have y'all like, did y'all like dream of a wedding? Because I see a lot of people saying it. I haven't necessarily like dreamed of a wedding, but
My dad and mom got divorced. I never want that to happen. I was about 10 years old when my parents got divorced.
like marriage is something, but I feel like people pressure it.
Those pieces of paper were
I guess if you don't pressure it, like maybe you don't get married. Like, I don't fucking know, but for real, drop below in the comments like
elements they've ever seen. That was me being afraid of
if like y'all always dreamed about y'all wedding day, because I didn't. Like,
he said, don't get married.
hey y'all, hey. So y'all, right now I'm about to get my life in order, and I'm finna go treat myself to something because I feel like I fucking deserve it. And yeah, so I'm finna do me a cute little slick back. I'm finna do something real cute to my face, and I'm finna put on my little jogging suit. Let me see, hold on, with my little dunks. My little Juicy jogging suit, y'all. In the vlog, I looked up and found the purse, and I'm just wear my little dunks with it. Just real cute. So yeah, I gotta start getting ready so we can be out the house by like 10 o'clock, because I don't want to be out in traffic all day. So it's the white around my fucking lip for me. But yeah, I'm gonna check back in with y'all in a minute. Yeah, bitch, I'm looking good. So I'm about to put me and my baby clothes on and hit the door. But yeah, the face is giving. It just is. Y'all, I literally always only have one earring. It's a joke at this point, but yeah. The vibe fucking check is in full effect, okay? Let me get my Gucci. Let me get my Hermes check. Period. Juicy, because I'm a juicy bitch. So yeah, we finna leave out. My baby finna be a little upset, but I gotta get my other earring out the car. I'm trying to think what else am I leaving or forgetting. I don't think nothing. I need some lotion on, but yeah, I'm gonna check back in with y'all when I get in the car. I guess it's all in my head. I'm always trying to be matchy. When I bought the purse, I don't know if that video gonna be up first or if it's all gonna be together, like at this point. I don't know, but I bought this little phone case because it matched my purse. So I need to put the phone case on. So cute. It matched everything that I have on today. Like seriously, it looks so cute. So I'm gonna go and get my friend, and then we about to head out. Hillbilly, slow your ass down. Today though, I love my hair like this, y'all. Like I was just telling Brie, like for the summertime, at this point it's just gonna be slick back Rita because I adore my hair like this. I put my little thing on, y'all. I had forgot to put it on. My little headband. I'm talking about headband, bitch. My scrunchie on my other place. But yeah, let me keep my phone charged because I'll be the main one with 2%. Phone fully charged right now, and then my shit jumped to 2%. That's how I step on shit. Yeah. Oh shit, 12. I just said I need to start putting my seatbelt on more. Oh yeah, I gotta get it together, y'all. I gotta get it together. But yeah, today's gonna be a good day. I need it to be a good day. I just do. For my sanity. Oh, it's so cute. Cause I'm really that bitch though. Now for real, y'all, it's the ponytail for me. Like seriously. It's such a fucking vibe. Cause it's so hot. Like weave is so fucking hot. And so hot. So, I'm gonna eat good. I'm gonna go get my little purse. I'm just in such better spirits today. I love that for me. Damn. Every time I pass right here, a car is fucked up. Like every time. That's how I step on niggas. Who gon' smoke with me? Nigga, who gon' smoke with me? Blessed. Bitch, you is blessed. You blessed. Yeah, I'm gonna check back in with y'all in a minute though. I'm gonna go get me some Starbucks. But by the time I make it back down there, y'all, it's gonna be so fucking crowded. Today was such a good day. Anyway, you want some Starbucks noodle? Fuck was that? You want some Starbucks?
Starbucks, how can I get started for you?
Hi, can I have a venti matcha green tea latte?
A venti matcha latte, is that gonna be hot or ice?
Ice but with no ice, please.
Okay, venti iced matcha with no ice.
And then can I add 8 pumps of vanilla to that?
Okay.
And then can I have a tall one with 4 pumps of vanilla made the same way?
Okay.
And then just a cup of ice water.
Alright, let me just put all that in. Anything else for you?
So I just made it home, y'all. My makeup is so cute. I love when I sweat with it. It just looks so pretty. But yeah, I'm finally at home. I'm not finna do nothing. I was trying to record a video for y'all, but I want to record my makeup look with the slick back ponytail. Like, so yeah, I'm gonna try to do 2 videos in one tomorrow. And yeah, another vlog, of course. I know y'all tired of the vlogs, but yeah, when I finally do tell y'all what I've been going through, y'all will understand. So with that being said, I love y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe this video. And yeah, let me know what type of videos y'all want to see from me. Like, let me know. Like, I feel like it's just time for my channel and me to evolve. So let me know what y'all want to see. More vlogs, more get ready with me. I know y'all want some fucking lookbooks. Oh, it be such a process. Like, YouTubers are the shit. I be watching lookbooks and try on hauls and shit, and people be putting like whole fits together. It's so hot doing try on hauls. Y'all don't understand. That shit is so hot. But yeah, I know y'all want to see those. But yeah, just like anything, let me know. Just let me know what y'all want from me in the future. Let me know what y'all want from me in the summer. You know, I love y'all, and I appreciate y'all for even still being here with me, girl. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.